This won't work. It won't turn it off. It won't change input. It won't change the volume. I bought it in June of this year, and July of this year, 2020, is when my return window closed. So I'm reading some of the reviews. It says that it works right away, no configuration, nothing, and then it doesn't work. And to change my input, I have to manually do it. It won't let me use anything. Volume, I can manually do this up and down. Channels, I can change automatically up and down. No issue. It's just the remote won't work. Held it down for 30 seconds. Try to do all the little fixes from YouTube, and it doesn't work. So I'm stuck with this piece of crap. Don't buy it.